What's up, guys? It's Matt here. Thanks for joining me on my page, on my site. I'm sure you guys have spent hours upon hours going through course after course of affiliate marketing, and it's just all giving you the exact same thing, nothing that you can use. I'm sure you spend dollar after dollar paying for this, paying for that to try and make money online. Um, so did I, and that's why I'm doing this completely free affiliate marketing course. If you join me, I will send out daily emails to you on how to succeed online. Um, I'm going to be with you until you're ready to be left alone. I will be there until you make your first sale. Like I said, daily emails back and forth. I'll get constant contact, whatever you need for you to succeed. Um, Growing up, I mean, I have been through tons of shit. I mean, I got a big hole in my arm. It's just, and I'm still going at it. It's just, you can't give up. And it's just, come with me, join my team, and we will hit the ground running. And we will make you succeed. We won't stop until you do. Um, just put your information down below. And as soon as you do, I'll contact you with the next steps. And I hope to talk to you about what your goals are and how we can help you along your affiliate marketing journey. Talk to you guys soon.